Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
World shares extended near record highs as risk assets found support from an upbeat U.S. October payrolls report, and investors faced positive readings on U.S. inflation ahead of more detailed consumer prices this week. Ethereum blockchain's native asset Ether touched a new record high, supported by a rally across the top cryptocurrencies ahead of a key U.S. inflation report this week. Advanced Micro Devices Inc. has won Meta Platforms Inc. as a data center chip customer, cementing some of its gains against Intel Corp.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 01:01 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 GMT. Japan's Eco Watchers Survey outlook at 0500 GMT. Japan's Eco Watchers Survey current will be released at 0500 GMT. The UK's 30-year bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.